Hi guys, Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel Learn with Joy. So today I'm going to share with you my top 5 most favorite foundation I have been using for so long time now, and I hope you guys will find this video useful for you. And so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get started.
Told your friend you're not okay.
So before starting the video, I would like to request you guys don't spend in a very cheap product for your makeup, because makeup ऐसे भी बहुत harmful है स्किन के लिए, और आप जब अगर बहुत ख़राब प्रोडक्ट दोगे अपनी स्किन को तो it will hamper you more. So थोड़ा सा इन्वेस्टमेंट करें, क्योंकि ये तो आपकी एक्सपेंडिचर नहीं है, ये आपकी इन्वेस्टमेंट है, क्योंकि स्किन ख़राब नहीं रहेगी तो you don't have to like regret later. So the first one I'm going to show you is this Pharmacy VFX Pro Camera Ready, and my shade is 04. So foundation अपने shade और skin type के हिसाब से ले, and this is it guys. This gives you like a complete matte finish, and it's very good for oily skin, and it costed me around like 14 or 1500. काफ़ी अच्छी है गाइज. इट गिव्स अ गुड कवरेज, अच्छी कवरेज है, एंड इट्स गुड फॉर ऑयली स्किन, जिसकी ऑयली स्किन है और कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन है, तो फॉर देम इट्स अ वेरी वाव प्रोडक्ट. So you can go for it. So the thing about this product is I like this product because it comes with this pump. So handy, it's very handy, और आपको यूज़ करने में, अप्लाई करने में काफ़ी इजी हो जाती है, एंड इट गिव्स अ वेरी गुड फिनिश देती है ये, एंड देन टेक्सचर भी इसकी काफ़ी लाइक थिक है, सो यू कैन गेट अ फुल कवरेज फ्रॉम दिस. And the next foundation I like the most is this LA Girl Pro Coverage. This one guys, it cost around like 1300-1400 I guess, but it's a magical foundation. It gives that dewy look, that natural finish in your skin. It's good for normal dry to normal skin, but I use this mostly in winter, because my skin is kind of acne prone, but my like T-zone area is quite oily and the other is quite normal, so I go for this foundation in winter season, and it's a magical foundation. Among all the foundation in this world, I like this LA Girl Pro SD1, because हर प्रॉब्लम की सोल्यूशन ये दे देती है आपको. लाइक यू जस्ट यूज़ दिस फाउंडेशन एंड इट डजंट इवन फील लाइक आपने कुछ अपने चेहरे पे लगाया हुआ है. सच लाइक इट डजंट हैव दैट थिक कंसिस्टेंसी, बस एक हल्की सी ग्लो आती है, दैट ड्यूवी ग्लो. सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड ओके, एंड प्राइस भी इसके काफ़ी लाइक कंपेरेटिवली कम है, तो it's a very good foundation. And for those who like the foundation very lightweight, so you can go for this, but ये गर्मी में oily skin वालों के लिए सही नहीं रहती. You have to set this foundation with a compact powder, and this LA Girl has that matte finish one as well, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. My sister used that, and it gives such a good coverage and such a matte finish. You will love it, so just give a try. And I would like to suggest you one thing. Use the makeup, or use your foundation with a beauty blender, and you should invest in a good beauty blender, because this is LA Girl का ये beauty blender. You can get the other one also in 350 or more. ये LA Girl is quite costly bit, but this, check the beauty blender. If it's सॉफ्ट एंड पफी, यू यूज़ दैट वन, बिकॉज वो अच्छे से ब्लेंड करती है फाउंडेशन को, काफ़ी अच्छी फिनिश लाती है. बट द वन विच वन इज़ वेरी हार्ड, इट्स नॉट दैट पफी लाइक दिस LA Girl वन. सो जस्ट अवॉइड दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. और ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ करने से पहले आप इसको वेट कर, जस्ट मेक इट डैम ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ करें, भिगो के लाइक टिश्यू से रैप करके, एंड देन जस्ट टेक द एक्सेस वाटर एंड देन यूज़ इट लाइक दिस, सो दैट इट विल give a good finishing to your skin. ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉर गुड फिनिशिंग. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि आप हर प्रोडक्ट अभी खरीद लो. जस्ट गिव अ टाइम एंड बाई अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. मतलब इन्वेस्ट करो तो अच्छी चीज़ों में इन्वेस्ट करो. डोंट जस्ट वो सस्ते के चक्कर में बस सो इन्वेस्ट इन अ ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. एक अच्छी वाली ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. जस्ट चेक द पफीनेस ऑफ दैट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर, एंड इट विल कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 350. So it's quite affordable as well. So yeah, so my shade for this is fair. I GLM642 fair. My shade is fair here. So the third foundation I'll recommend you is this L'Oreal Paris का Infallible 24-hour fresh wear powder foundation. This is very good foundation for a go to go look. आपको अगर time नहीं है, so you can apply it. It's like a compact powder. You just use it with the brush or anything you like to, and my shade is vanilla. It cost me around like 2400 और 2500. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है फॉर गो टू गो लुक. जिनको काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैवी वाला नहीं चाहिए, तो फॉर देम इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. So the next one is this MAC foundation. This foundation is really good, guys. I have been using it for like 2 months now, and it's good. Like MAC, by name, it's a very good foundation, and it gives a good coverage, and it's a very good for oily skin. It just gives you a matte finish. So my shade in this is NC20. I have been using this for quite some time now, and why is this MAC? You can, after you use it, you'll feel like, yes, I have invested in a good thing. So the fourth one is this Estee Lauder Double Wear Makeup Foundation. This is a very good foundation, but मेरी ये shade नहीं है 4C3 soft tan. It's not my shade. It's a bit too darker for my skin, so I just mix it with this NC15, and I just use this. Today I have used this foundation, mixing this both, so it gives a good coverage and a very good finish, and I just love them. It is a high-end foundation. It will cost you quite more, but it's a very good foundation. And you know about MAC is a very good foundation. Estee Lauder is in the same range, and in Nepal you can get a good foundation and a good product from pages like Pretty Click, LA Cosmetics, and from Beauty Mantra and Obsession Cosmetics. They have a very good product. And so this was it for today, guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope this video would be useful for those who are struggling with their foundation. But the most important thing with the foundation is you have to know your shade. Like आप अपने शेड से ज़्यादा like tone like lighter ले लोगे, तो it will be like ashy in your skin, and the darker one will be like more darker to your skin. So अपनी शेड पता करें और उसके बाद ही foundation खरीदें, and use a good beauty blender, and like use a damn beauty blender to blend your makeup. So this was the basic tip to use a foundation. I hope you guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and spread love, give happiness. Thank you.